Hey everybody, it's your girl, Tish. And I'm back on another video for you guys. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial on myself again, because why not? Y'all know I like to get straight into the video, but before we do that, make sure you guys hit that like button, you comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new, welcome, and if you aren't, welcome back. Let's get straight into the video, period. As you guys have already seen by the title, today's video we are going to be doing a knotless braid tutorial. I haven't figured out what size I'm going to be doing, but I definitely want to do them about to the waist, or maybe just a little bit lower than my waist. But today we are going to be highlighting one of my influencer friends' brand. If you guys aren't familiar with Braids a Million, go check her out on Instagram at Braids a Million. Okay, I did order some of her products from her line that she recently launched, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this company logo right here, Braids a Million. It's so pretty. Open it up. This is how the box looks. Every time I recording, I always have some kind of background. It's like, I ordered this crop top. It's just a plain white crop top with her logo on it in a size small, period. Inside the box, it comes with her business card, as you guys see here, and her information. These roosters, man. This is her. Her name is Reese. I love her so much. She's amazing. I love her work. So this is her work, her Instagram right there, her business number. You know what? I'm gonna just talk over these boosters because they have no respect for me. Clearly. Like, nah. They're like, they want to be a part of the video too. I might as well just bring one and just, you know, show you the roosters instead. Like, hey y'all, it's okay. Don't shout at me like that. Thank you for your purchase. And again, all her information. Boom. So this is how the products look. So I got her Bam Jam. I got her Bam Control. Her Bam Mousse. I got the whole box. Then we got the Bam Brulee. So this is for like if you're doing twist outs and braid outs and what's not, you use this. And then you also get the oil. So you can spray this on your hair for sheen. And this is called Bam Light. I love the packaging, really simple, really cute, really elegant, and it's my favorite color. So today we are going to be using these products on my hair. Let me tell you guys what you will be needing for this style. Your Bam Jam, your Bam Control, a rat silk comb, maybe some sectioning clips if you need that. I like to use Expression pre-stretch braiding hair. I bought this rainbow color right here. It's so pretty and I can't wait to use this, as well as some black. The idea that I had in mind is half rainbow, half black. Okay, period. So we're gonna be outside because it's summer. Y'all excited? Because I'm excited. Let's get straight into this tutorial. So off camera, I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'm gonna pre-part and I'll be right back. Excuse me. I didn't hear the notification bell ring off. Go tap the notification bell real quick. You know, don't forget to hit subscribe too. Leave a comment if you're enjoying this video so far, and leave a like because it helps my channel. No, for real, really, like it really does help my channel go. Do one of those things. Thanks. Period. So we back. My hair is blow dried and sectioned, so I have 6 sections in my hair. So there's 2 main sections in the front. 1, 2. Then I have 2 in the middle, but they're unevenly parted because it helps with that like break layer type of look. I'm gonna turn to the back and show you guys exactly what I mean. We have this lower section here and this higher section here. And then over here, I did a higher section and then a lower section. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but yeah. So 6 sections total, and we can start off with this side. I'm gonna do about maybe 3 rows in the back. I don't use a mirror to part, so you don't forget it.
I find that when doing my hair myself, feeling the part is easier for me than using a mirror.
I just use a mirror to look and see if my part is straight. Okay guys, the Braids a Million Bam Jam. It smells really good. It smells really good. I like the scent. It's different. Never smelled anything like it before. So it's a plus. I like new stuff. So I already parted the first row back here. And I'm gonna split it into two.
Now, we all know I don't like long and drawn out videos, so I'm just gonna speed this part up.
Actually guys, so this is how the back of my hair is looking so far. It's about waist to tailbone length, kind of. I don't know. But yeah, this is how we looking. And I'll come back when I'm finished with this side of my head and this side of my head. I'm gonna leave the front for last so I can focus and actually show you guys. But yeah, bye until we come back to the next part. Hey guys, so it is currently 4 a.m. Well, after 4 a.m. I'm just gonna show you guys 4:30 a.m. in the morning. And I just completed the back of my hair, so technically we're on day 2. I am tired and I'm ready to get in my bed so I can wake up and do the rest of my hair. But anyway, let me show you guys how the back looks and then we'll get straight into the next portion of the video. I will slow down and show you guys exactly how to install a knotless braid when I reach to the front, which will be today. So before I do that, y'all make sure y'all like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, put on your notification bell. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you aren't, welcome back. This is how we look.
So from here, you guys can see what I meant about the bricklayering and how it made it a lot easier for me. Even though it is parted down the middle, you can see that all parts have like window parting, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Alright y'all, so I will see you guys tomorrow.
This video is very self-explanatory. Obviously, that's why I'm not talking as much in this video. I'm simply showing you guys how I do my hair on a daily basis. So just watch me work, have fun, enjoy, and take in any tips you can from the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so I had to top of my head. Day 3. Yesterday I rested. I didn't complete as much as I did yesterday because, like I said, I was exhausted, okay? I didn't have it in me. So here we are on the next day. But you guys could see how far I came. You know, period is the meat box parts for me. Just so. So now I'm gonna do this braid and this braid, and then we're gonna start the other side. And then day 4. My hair likes to swing, yeah, hey. Let me turn to the back so y'all can see this thing swing. Yes, ma'am. It's so pretty. And cut. Okay, y'all, now that I'm on my last braid, I'm actually going to do the tutorial segment. So I'm going to show you guys how I install my knotless box braid. Ooh, I've come a long way. Yeah, this was definitely a workout. 3 to 4 days. Oh my God. Anyways, so I go ahead, I apply my product to the root of the braid, and I go ahead and I separate into 3 strands, as you guys see here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Then I cross over. Then I cross under, and then after that I go ahead and cross again. Boom. Braid down one more time, and then I'm going to take my extension here, which I have on the side. I'm going to take a small piece, and I'm going to go ahead and put that around my pinky, tuck it in underneath, braid down, let that strand go in the front. Gonna braid down again and again. Then I'm gonna flip and tuck. After you flip and tuck, you continue to braid down. Now this may sound a little bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you will.
braiding is done. It's complete. I still have to trim the flyaways and put some mousse on it and dip my ends. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Braids a Million Growth Serum. It's a pineapple hair oil. It smells like pineapple. It doesn't have pineapple in it. So if you're allergic to pineapple, this is safe for you to use. So it comes with a little dropper bottle like this, and I'm just gonna dab it in my scalp. I didn't use too much, so yeah, pineapple scented hair oil. Now I'm going to clip my ends, dip it, and put some mousse in my hair. And I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna come back. The only thing I'm gonna show you guys is me putting on the mousse. But after that, y'all can see the final result. And so I'm just gonna apply the mousse to my hair now. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Balm Light. So this is like oil sheen basically.
That one friend that just wears way too much perfume, just
Because period. It smells good, by the way. And this is the final results.
if you have made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my small channel. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit that like button. You share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to come on over to the Unique Gang. Join us over here. We lit.
Oh, you got caught in my eye.
If this video has not convinced you enough to subscribe yet, please go check out my other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. I'll see you in the next video. This came out so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe. See you next time. Deja out. Love y'all.